Hi there, Annie here. So tonight we have show in Baltimore, Maryland. Did you know that Michael Phelps and Babe Ruth, both incredible athletes, were born in Baltimore, Maryland? This got me thinking, being an extraordinary athlete, how much of it has to do with your genetics, your genetic makeup, and how much of it has to do with really hard work. I'm sure you've heard the saying, he's a gifted athlete, right? So today I want to talk a little bit about what role your genetics can play in your capability of achieving amazing results in athletics. And so what I'm going to do is share my personal genetic blueprint, just like exercise overview, and to show a training overview, and to show what can show up in your genetics and how much role can it actually play in the results that you can achieve. So here we go. I'm gonna just move my camera out of the way. So this is my personal report, so I can show you. In the activity overview, you can see here the training response. What this shows is what is your baseline in exercise, in achieving wonderful results. So my baseline, when it's purple, it's high impact. This tells me that I genetically am gifted to achieve great results with proper training. And I have to say, growing up, I played many sports. I played professional sport. I played volleyball for Armenian national team. I was a runner, trail racer, obstacle course racer. And every sport I have tried since from childhood, I was really good at it. And looking at this tells me that yes, I do have the genes with proper training to achieve amazing results. The good news is this is the injury pathway. It will show that am I prone to soft tissue injuries, being injured easily? And I have to say it's not. And throughout the years, yes, playing volleyball, I did twist my ankle a few times. But playing all kinds of sports and even like running, trail racing, I have never injured myself. Except for not long ago, I tripped walking on a sidewalk. I tripped on uneven sidewalk and I tore my medial meniscus. But here it also shows the endurance level and the power. The endurance, the purple, it says that I have genes that helps me that I can do endurance training. As a volleyball player, indoor volleyball player, sometimes our games will go on 2-3 hours. Sometimes we played 5 sets. So I do have the endurance and stamina for it. I've done a marathon, 25K trail race, like in LA, we did the 25K Bulldog Trail race in August and 105 degrees, crazy hot. The power, medium, even though I do have a super gene that would help me in here. The power usually is sprinting, doing short bursts of exercises. Most importantly is the recovery. Does your body recover fast from, let's say, high intensity exercise? Sometimes, especially if you're trying to lose weight, you will probably try to do something every day. But if genetically your body does not recover quick enough, what happens is you're putting yourself at risk of soft tissue injuries, traumas, joint injuries, but also increased inflammation, because think of it, exercise is stress on your body. Yes, sometimes it's a good stress, But if you overdo it and your body genetically does not recover quick enough, then you're opening yourself up for injuries and traumas, more inflammation, more oxidative stress. So knowing all this information, you can create personalized exercise plan that is unique as you are, because we all have different genetic blueprint, and knowing what we were given from our parents, we can create a personalized proper training that works specifically for us to achieve amazing results. Hopefully this gave you some information. I will put a link if you want to download a sample report that you can get a little bit more information. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments and I'll be happy to get back to you. I hope to see you tonight at Baltimore at the Janet Jackson show. If not, please stay pain-free and I'll see you in the next city.